Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how we can fix frozen or unresponsive screen on Samsung Galaxy M55 5G. If your Samsung is stuck and you want to restart it, then you can do that by force restarting. And in order to do that, we need to press and hold the side or power button and the volume down button together at the same time for approximately 10 seconds. So press and hold them and then do not release them until the screen will be completely off. So keep holding it, and eventually, like you see, the screen should turn completely black. And now what we need to do is simply wait for the device to turn itself back on. So you don't have to press the power button or anything like that. The device will turn itself back on. Now it might take a little while, like from 30 seconds up to even 1 minute or maybe even longer. At least this is the case on my device, and in your case it could be a little bit faster, but I can tell that definitely it takes a little bit longer to soft reset or force restart than compared to other devices. But eventually you should see the Samsung logo, and that means that the device is turning itself back on. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.